Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? The Milky Way isn't just a streak of stars. It's a galaxy full of secrets, black holes, alien worlds, and ancient mysteries. In this video, we're diving deep into our galactic home to uncover the wonders hiding in plain sight. So if you're curious about the universe and love learning things most people don't know, hit that subscribe button now, because here we turn space into something you can understand, explore, and get amazed by every week. How to get a deep understanding of the Milky Way galaxy. Number 1. Know what the Milky Way is. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, our home galaxy. It contains over 100 billion stars, planets, nebulae, dust, gas, and a supermassive black hole at the center. It's around 100,000 light-years in diameter and 1,000 light-years thick. 2. Understand its structure. The Milky Way is made up of Galactic Bulge, dense central region with old stars and the supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A. Galactic Disk contains spiral arms filled with stars, gas, dust, and young star clusters. Spiral arms, regions of active star formation, for example, Orion Arm, where our solar system is. Galactic Halo, a spherical area of dark matter, old stars, and globular clusters around the galaxy. Dark matter makes up most of the galaxy's mass, but is invisible, detected through gravity. 3. Learn the history and formation. Formed over 13 billion years ago, shortly after the Big Bang, grew through merging with smaller galaxies like the Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy, still absorbing small galaxies and forming stars from interstellar gas. 4. Study the stars and stellar populations. Population 1 stars, younger, metal-rich stars in the disk, like the Sun. Population 2 stars, older, metal-poor stars in the bulge and halo. Globular clusters, spherical groups of old stars orbiting the halo. 5. Understand the galactic center. The center hosts Sagittarius A storing, a supermassive black hole, approximately 4 million times the Sun's mass. Observed with radio, infrared, and X-ray telescopes since it's blocked by dust in visible light. Explore its motion and rotation. The galaxy rotates. Stars orbit the center at hundreds of kilometers per second. The Sun takes about 225 to 250 million years to complete one orbit around the galaxy, a galactic year. The whole galaxy moves toward the Great Attractor, a mysterious gravitational center beyond our galaxy cluster. Know about the Milky Way's neighbors. It's part of the local group, including Andromeda Galaxy M31 on a collision course with the Milky Way, Triangulum Galaxy M33, and over 50 dwarf galaxies, some orbiting the Milky Way. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide and merge. 8. Learn how we observe it. We're inside the disk, so we see it as a glowing band across the sky. Use of radio, infrared, and X-ray telescopes helps us see through dust clouds. Major observatories, Hubble, Gaia, Chandra, ALMA, JWST, and future missions like the Vera Rubin Observatory. 9. Understand its role in the universe. One of billions of galaxies in the universe, but the only one we live in. Learning about the Milky Way helps us understand galaxy evolution, black holes, and cosmic structure. 10. Explore the future of the Milky Way. We'll eventually merge with Andromeda and form a new elliptical galaxy, sometimes called Milkomeda. Star formation will slow down over billions of years. The galaxy will change, but likely remain active for trillions of years. The Milky Way is just the beginning. There are billions of galaxies out there, each with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. But right now, we're standing on a tiny planet inside one of the most incredible galaxies in the universe, and you just took a journey through it. If this kind of cosmic adventure excites you, then don't just watch. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like, and join our crew of space explorers. We've only scratched the surface, and the universe is just getting started.